on, Raj. That's it. Good boy, Raj.
I think we're the reason they're not doing anything.
I think so
we all
too.
go away, they'll probably have a blast with it.
Yeah.
Look at Toby.
Distraction.
He thinks you're gonna scratch him.
I know he does.
All right, who's gonna check it?
It's like Lori.
Come on, Raj. That's
Good
it.
boy, Raji.
Oh!
Yes. He's like, go on, play with it.
Oh, look at you, Raja.
Maybe I can. Yeah, well, let's see what he does. Oh, here's Flu. Flu's back. Back to the action.
What is it? Yeah.
Get
Ooh,
it.
get that.
Get it, Flu man. Get it, Flu. I'll get Raja instead. That's more fun.
Okay, now you can kick it.
Yeah.
That'll get them moving.
Going. Wait, I gotta record this. Hold on. Okay.
Hey, boys. I have to go in here. All right. Ready?
Toby, she's not scratching you right now. Like a vibration.
No, really, you're gonna scratch me, right? Get it, Raj. Look at
He thought he was gonna scratch. She was gonna scratch him. It's just gonna be video of Lori playing with the ball.
Oh.
Well, Toby will play with you.
Where are you going?
Oh, Toby. Graceful boy.
What? Now, what might you want? I have no idea.
The ball's so lonely. Get it, Flu. Get it.
Who's thinking about it?
Oh, yeah.
See, Raj will follow you.
Woo!
Did you get a good shot of my butt?
Yes, we did. Okay, that wasn't very impressive.
I'm glad to see how chill they are about it.
Where's the old looking a little skinnier? That's a good thing.
Toby and Raj.
Here's my belly. Here's my belly.
Do I dare?
Do you dare?
Scratch?
Oh.
Only if you want to be run down.
Yeah.
Then we'll see some action. If you run around, they'll all
Raja,
run
go
after
get your
you.
ball.